guys guys, if you're there wondering how to know the amount of RAM that is installed into your laptop, um here's how you can go about that. Just get to type about PC, about your PC, and then click it over here, up here. Then we want to know the amount of RAM that is installed onto the laptop. So here they get to give you that you're having 16 GB of RAM. Then also they get to give you the type of RAM that you have installed onto your computer, or the type of the RAM that is used onto your computer. So I'm having DDR3, yeah, and 16 GB of RAM. Yeah, that's it.